What's good, Foodizens? It's your girl TK, and I'm back with another video. And today we're going to be making lemon olive oil madeleines. So let's get right into it. And this was my first time making madeleines, and if you don't know what a madeleine is, it's a French cookie. Now it looks like a little cake, but it's actually a cookie, and it's really simple to make unless you want to make it more fancy and really good if you want a not too sweet treat. Now this is a small batch recipe because I'm trying to cut back on eating so many sweets. But I like this recipe because it doesn't require a lot of ingredients and it's a quick and simple dessert, chill time aside that is. So first I took my egg, sugar, and salt and whipped them together until they thickened. Now I almost forgot my salt, but luckily I remembered at the last minute. Next I sifted in the flour and baking powder. Once that's all in the egg, sugar, and salt mixture, I folded the flour in, and one thing you don't want to do is overwork the batter. So you want to just gently fold the flour in. And after that, I drizzled in the olive oil, still folding it into the batter. And next we have vanilla. And yes, again, I'm folding. And finally, I zested one lemon, and I don't even need to tell you. You already know the word of the day. Now, I'm going to cover it up and put it in the fridge for 1 to 24 hours. But I only did 1 hour because I wanted them ASAP.
I'm so doggone eager.
I wanted them like right now. I did not want to wait. Okay. So again, I let them chill, and I let it chill in the fridge for an hour. And before I took the batter out of the fridge, I preheated the oven to 350 and I greased the madeleine molds. Now, I was only supposed to fill them 2/3 of the way, but I'm going to go ahead and bet money that those molds were full. Okay. Anyway, I baked them until they were golden brown on the bottom. Didn't want to bake them too long. So once I saw that they were turning brown on the bottom, I took them out of the oven. They were a little pale on the top for me, but I'd rather have them be, pale on top and not dry versus being, golden brown and then the whole cookie is just burnt dry. It's just a waste, just a loss. But yeah, the texture came out perfect, and there we have it, lemon olive oil madeleines. These were easy and delicious, but not very lemony, so next time I think I'll tweak a couple of things and add a little lemon juice. But guys, thanks for watching. I hope you give this recipe a try and put your spin on it, and let me know what you think. Until next time, take care.